Today we are going to discuss about matrices. Before going to matrices, advantage of matrices. Matrix algebra has at least two advantages. That is, first one is reduce complicated system of equations to simple expression, and second one is adaptable to systematic method of mathematical treatment and well suited to computers. Definition of matrices. Matrix. A matrix is a set or group of numbers arranged in a square or rectangular array enclosed by two brackets. One more time. Definition of matrix. A matrix is a set or group of numbers. Set or group of numbers arranged in a square or rectangular array. Arranged in a square or rectangular array enclosed by two brackets. You got it? Example, see here, enclosed bracket 1 comma minus 1, and next one is 4 2 minus 3 0, and other one is a b c d. So a matrix contains elements or numbers or anything. So matrix is a matrix set or group of numbers, set or group of numbers arranged in a square or rectangular array. Properties of matrices. A specified number of rows and specified number of columns. A matrix contains specified number of rows and specified number of columns. Two numbers here, two numbers. Rows and column describe the dimension or size of the matrix. Here, rows and column express the dimension or size of the matrix. Example, 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix means here matrix contains three rows and three columns. Here, first row 1 to 4 and second row is 2 minus 1 5 and 3 3 3 are third row. And also three columns means 1 4 3 is first column, 2 minus 1 3 is second column, 4 5 3 is third column. So this matrix contains three rows and three columns. So see next example, 2 by 4 matrix. Here in this is in this matrix it has two rows. First row is 1 1 3 minus 3 and second row is 0 0 3 2. And four columns are, first column is 1 0 and second column also 1 0. Third column is 3 3. Fourth column is minus 3, minus 2. See last example, that is 1 by 2 matrix. Here 1 by 2 matrix is, the matrix has only one row and two columns. That is one row is 1 comma minus 1 and two column means first one is first column and minus 1 is second column. So this is the size of the matrix. So clear. So n row and m n column matrices. A matrix is denoted by bold capital letter and the elements within the matrix are denoted by lowercase. Matrix is denoted by capital letters, and in the elements are denoted by small letters. Example: a matrix A with elements A I J. Matrix A equal to matrices. First element A11. A11 means, here 11 means this place is first row and first column. Next A12 is, A12 is in A12 places, that is first row and second column place. We want to express the place of the element. Next Aij means, that is, so on Aij means A1J means, that is first row and jth column. Last one is A1n. 1n means first row and nth column. Let's see second row. In second row, A21. That means A21 means 21 express the row and column. 2 means second row and 1 is first column. And next element A22. A22 express the 2 to express the this element places second row and second column. And A2J that 2J express that this is element placed in second row and jth column, and also A2N means second row and nth column. So and up to A M1 means A place is M mth row and first column. Next element AM2 is mth row and second column. AMJ means mth row and jth column. AMN means mth row and nth column. I goes from 1 to M, J goes from 1 to N. Next, types of matrices. Types of matrices. Matrices. First, we discuss the column matrix or vector. The number of rows may be any integer, but the number of column is always one. A matrix contains single column means that is single column matrix. That's simple. Once again, column matrix. The number of rows may be any. Number of rows is any. But the number of columns is always one or single. Single column is column matrix. Example 1, 4, 2. This is single column. Rows are three rows. One is the first row and fourth is second row, two is the third row. This matrix contains three rows and single columns. The single column means column matrix. And next example 1 minus 3. This is also single column and rows are two rows. One is first row and minus 3 is second row. And as the last example A1, 1, A2, 1 up to AM. Here the rows are different. Column are first column. Only single column, that is column matrix. Next to row matrix is similarly row matrix also same. Row matrix are vector. Any number of columns but only one row. A row matrix has only one row and any number of columns. Simple. So example 116. This is single row, but columns are one is first column and one another one is second column. Six is third column. This matrix has three columns but single row. That means this is called row matrix. And next example is 0352. This is single row and columns are 0 is first column, 3 is second column, 5 is third column, 2 is fourth column. This matrix has single row and four column, but a single row means row matrix. And last example A11, A12, A13 up to A1n. This matrix has single row, first row, only one row and n columns. But this is only single row. That means this is a row matrix. Next, rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix contains more than one element and number of rows is not equal to number of columns. Number of row not equal to number of column is rectangular matrix. Example here 1 1 3 7 7 minus 7 7 6. Here rows are 2. So rows are 4 and columns are 2. 1 1 is first row, 3 7 is second row, 7 minus 7 is third row, 7 6 is fourth row. Rows are 4, but columns are 1 3 7 7 1 7 minus 7 6 are first column and second column. Next example is it look like a rectangle. That means it is rectangular matrix. Simple. Rows not equal to column is rectangular matrix. Simple definition. And next example is 1 1 1 0 0 and second row is 2 0 3 3 0. This matrix has two rows and columns are different color. 1 2 is first column, 1 0 is second column, 1 3 is third column, 0 3 is fourth column, 0 is fifth column. This matrix has two rows and five columns. The rows not equal to column. This it look like rectangle. It is called rectangular matrix. Rows not equal to columns is called rectangular matrix. Simply. Next is Square matrix. Simply we say that rows and columns are equal. Simple. Square matrix. The number of rows is equal to number of columns. Definition: square matrix. The number of rows is equal to number of columns. A square matrix M by n has an order of m. First example: 1 1 3 0. Here 1 1 is first row, 3 0 in second row, and 1 3 is first column, 1 0 in second. This matrix has two rows and two columns. That is A 2 by 2 matrix. Next matrix is 1 1 1 first row, and 9 9 0 second row, 6 6 1 is third row. Here first column is 1 9 6, 1 9 in first column, and also 196 is second column, 101 is third column. The principal or main diagonal of a square matrix is composed of all elements aij with for which I not equal to j. Next, diagonal matrix. A square matrix where all the elements are 0 except those on the main diagonal. So elements of diagonal not equal to 0, other elements are 0. This type of matrices is called diagonal. Once again, only elements of diagonal is elements. So not equal to 0, and other elements are 0. This type of matrix, all elements 0 except diagonal elements. Simple. All elements 0 except diagonal elements is called the diagonal matrix. Aij equal to 0 for all I not equal to 0. Aij not equal to 0 for some or all I equal to j. Diagonal matrix is completed. Next, null matrix. Null matrix means all elements in this matrix is 0. So first, the column matrix is also null matrix. Sphere matrix is also null matrix. All elements 0 is means that means null matrices. Null matrix. Triangular matrix. A square matrix whose elements above or below the main diagonal are 0. Triangular matrix. Triangular matrix are two types. One is upper triangular and one is lower triangular. So we discuss next. A square matrix whose elements above or below the main diagonal are zeros. See example. See that matrix 1 0 0 2 1 0 5 2 3. In diagonal elements, diagonal are 1 1 3. Okay, upper diagonal upper elements are 0 0. Lower elements are elements. And next see example 1 0 0 2 1 0 5 2 3. In that example, upper elements are 0, lower elements are elements. See last example 1 8 9 0 1 6 0 0 3. In upper elements are diagonal upper elements are elements, lower elements are 0. This type of matrices is called triangular matrices. Upper triangular matrix. A triangular element up has up. A square matrix whose elements below the main diagonal are zeros is called the upper triangular. Up, a matrix has elements only on the diagonal upper is called upper triangle. Lower elements are zeros is called upper triangular matrix. In upper triangular matrix, elements below the diagonal is 0. This is called upper triangular matrix. Similarly, lower triangular matrix. In lower triangular matrices, uh, a square matrix whose elements above the main diagonal are zeros. Lower cases, in diagonal below elements are elements. Above elements are zeros. This matrix is called lower triangular matrices. Next, matrix operations of matrix. Equality of matrix operations. Equality of matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal only when all corresponding elements are also equal. Not size equal. All elements are so equal is called equal. If size equal, it is not equal. in size and also in that elements are equal means that is a equal matrix. For example, A equal to 100, 210, 523, and B also has B also has 3 by 3 matrix, that means 3 rows and 3 columns, and also in that elements also same 100, 210, 523. So the in this in these cases A equal to B, otherwise is not equal to B. If sizes are same but elements are not same, that is not equal matrices. Equality means all elements and sizes also same is equal of matrix, equality of matrices. Matrix operation. So every matrix has a an addition, subtraction, multiplication, some properties of it. Matrix operation. Some properties of equality. If A equal to B, then B equal to A for all A and B. A equal to B means B equal to A. If A equal to B and B equal to C, then A equal to C. This is for all A, B, C equal to. So equal to 100, 210. So example, A equal to 100, 210, 523. B equal to B11, B12, B13, and second row is 21, B22, B23, and third row is B31, B32, B33. If A equal to B, then A ij equal to Bij. Addition and subtraction matrices. Addition and subtraction matrices adding the elements in that matrix is addition. Subtracting the elements in that matrix is subtraction. Simple. The see the sum of or difference of two matrices A and B of the same size is a matrix C of the same size. Else a matrix C as suppose Cij equal to Aij plus Bj. Matrix of different sizes cannot be added or subtracted. Different size of matrices cannot be added and subtracted. If you want to add the matrices, it will have same size. It add same size of two matrices or subtract same sizes of two matrices. Matrices. Commutative law. A plus B equal to B plus A. This is the common laws. Associative law. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. That equal to A plus C. See example 2, 3 minus 1, and second row is 2 minus 5, 6, and second matrix B matrix is first row 1, 5, 6, second row minus 4, minus 2, 3. Are the elements same places elements, that is in the A matrix is first element is 7 and B matrix first element is 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, and second element is 3, and B matrix second element 3 plus 5 is 8, minus 1 minus plus 6 is plus 5, and the second row 2 minus 4 is minus 2, and minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7, 6 plus 3 is 9. This is C. This is addition of matrices. Simply add the same places elements of same size matrices. Matrix addition and subtraction in allowed only same size of matrices. Scalar multiplication of matrices. Matrices can be multiplied by scalar, constant or single elements. Let K be a scalar quantity. Then K equal to Ak. If K equal to 4, then A equal to 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 3, 4, 1. Here K equal to 4 means 4 into 3 minus 1, that element, that matrix is 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 3, 4, 1 is equal to 3 minus 1. Just we take the right side commutative law. 3 minus 1, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 3, 4, 1 into 4 equal to 3 into 4 is 12. 4 into minus 1 is 4. Multiply 4 with every element in that matrices. That is 4 into 3 is 12, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Next row 2 into 4 is 8, 1 into 4 is 4, and the third row is 2 into 4 is 8, 4 into minus 3 is 12, 4 into 4 is 16, 1 into 4 is 4. Properties: k into a plus b equal to ka plus kb. K plus g of a equal to ka plus g. Just here a is the matrix, k plus g is constant. K into a plus g into a. K into a b equal to ka into b, a into k into b. Put k as in any place because it multiply all element at the in that matrix. There is no change in that. No problem. K into g equal to kg into a. Multiplication of matrices. The product of two matrices is another matrix. The product of two matrices is another matrix. Product it will give another matrix. Two matrices A and B must conformable for multiplication to be possible. That is, the number of columns in A must be equal the number of rows of B. Number of columns is equal to number of rows. In that property it will multiplicable. So number of columns in a first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. Then it is possible to multiply two matrices. Two matrices. This is small complicated type. If you if you do the more example, it will easy. Multiplication is not only simple, like addition and subtraction. There is also some different property, different process. Do the different type of example. It will become easy. So multiplication is exist if first matrix column is equal to second matrix rows equal, then it is possible to multiply matrices. First matrix is column is equal to second matrix rows, then it will applicable to multiplication matrix operation. B cross A. B has 2 by 1 matrix. B is a 2 by 1 matrix and A is a 4 by 2 matrix. In that, B matrix has single column. A matrix has 4 rows. It is not applicable, not possible because first matrix column is equal to second matrix row. Then after that it will applicable to multiply. Second example, A by B, A cross B, A multiply B. A matrix is 6 by 2 matrix. B matrix is 6 by 3. This is not possible because first matrix rows not equal to second matrix columns because the first matrix columns is 2, second column is 6 not equal to row. Example, A into B means first A matrix has 3 columns, B matrix has 3 rows. It is applicable. First matrix column is equal to second matrix row. This is applicable. Matrix operation. See the operation carefully because this is the first this is small complicated. Matrix is A11, A1 first matrix is A11, A12, A13, and second row is A21, A22, A23, and second matrix is B11, B12, B21, B22, B31, B31. In this matrix multiplication is possible or impossible? Here possible because first row matrix has 3 columns and second row matrix has 3 rows. So first three columns and second one is three rows. It is applicable to multiply two matrices. Matrix multiplication. See carefully. Take first two row one first matrix and first column and second matrix. Multiply first row with first column. Elements A11 into B11 plus first next element is A12 into B21 and next element is A13 into AB3. This is one of the C11 element. Next, first row with first first matrix first row with second column is b1 to b2 to b3. Next first row into second column a11 into b12 plus a12 into b22. Next a13 into b3. This is it will give the second element of uh, matrices. Second element of and take the second row of first matrix. Take out the take second row of first matrix. Second row of first matrix is a21 a22 a23. Multiply second row with first column and second column. First of all multiply with first column a12 into b a12 a22 a23 multiply with b11 b21 b23. It will give third element of the matrix, third element of matrix is A21 into B11 plus A22 A22 into B21 plus A23 into B31. It will get the third element of matrix. And second row with second column, last one. So this is last one, second row with second one. Second row is A21, A22, A23, and second column is B12, B22, B2, B32. Multiply A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22 plus A23 into B3. It will give the fourth element of the multiply matrix. Understand? I will explain once more. First matrix should contain first matrix column is equal to second matrix row. Here, see, first matrix columns are 3 and second matrix rows are 3. So it is applicable to uh, multiplication. It is possible to multiply elements. Multiplication process. Multiplication is first row with multiply first row with first column. First by multiply first matrix first row with second matrix first column and row with columns. Okay. So first row elements are a11 a12 a13 and second matrix first column is b11 b21 b32. Don't confuse. First row, first elements A11 with column B11 plus A12 second first row, first column, second element is B21. A12 into B21. Next A13 into B31. It will give the first element of the multiplication matrix. And next first row with the second column. First row is A11, A12, A13 and second column is B12, B22, B3. So multiply A12 into B12 plus A12 into, so A11 into B12 and next element A12 into B22 plus A13 into B3. So first row is completed in first matrix and next row, second row. That is second row is A21, A22, A33. Second row with first column and second element, first column and second column. It will give third and fourth elements of multiplication matrix. A12 into first second row with first column. Second row is A12, A21, A22, A23, and first column is B11, B21, B31. A21 into B11 plus A23 into B21 plus A23 into B31. And next it will give third element of the multiplication matrix. And last, second row with second column. So second row is A21, A22, A23. Second column is B12, B22, B32. See, second second matrix, second row, second column. Multiply A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22 plus A23 into B32. It will give the uh, fourth element of the multiplication matrix. Successive multiplication of rows I of A with column J of B row by column multiplication. See example matrix operations. Here 1, 2, 3. See here two matrices multiplying. First matrices is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2, 7 has two rows, and second matrix has so uh, first matrix has three columns and second matrix has three rows. It is applicable to multiply. Multiply first row with first column. Before we discuss about multiplication, first row with first column. First row is 1, 2, 3, and first column of second matrix is 4, 6, 5. Multiply first row and first column. 1 into 4 is 1 into 4 plus 2 into 6. Is it clear? Next, third element is 3 into 5. Okay, clear. Next, first row with second column. First row is 1, 2, 3, and second column is 8, 2, 3. First row 1 into 8 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. It will give second element. And first row is total complete. Next, second row of first matrix. Second row is 4 to 7. Second row with first column, second row with second column. Second row 4 to 7 into first column 4, 6, 5. That is 4 into 4 plus 2 into 6 plus 7 into 5. And second row with second column, it will give last element 4 into 8 plus 2 into 2 plus 7 into 3. So multiplying, add and multiply, solve, simplify. 1 into 4 is 4, 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 5 is 15. 15 plus 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 15 is 31. It's 31. First element is 31. Next, second element. 1 into 8 is 8, 2 into 2 is 4, 8 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 9 into 9 is 3 into 3 is 9, 12 plus 9 is 21. Second element. Third element, 4 into 4 is 16, 16, 2 into 6 is 12, 16 plus 12 is 28, 7 into 5, 35, 35 plus 28 is 63. Last one is, last element, 4 into 8 is 32 plus 2 into 2 is 432 plus 436, 36, and 7 into 3 is 21, 36 plus 21 is 57. Remember also I into A equal to A. 1, 0. I is identity. Identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. Here A matrix is 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 63, 57. That is 1 into multiplication is 1 into 31, 31, 0 into 63 is 0. It will give 31. Suppose multiply it 1 into first row with first column, 1 into 31 is 31, 0 into 63 is 0. That means it will give 31. Next, first row is second, 1 into 21 is 21, 0 into 57 is 0, 21 is 21. First row with the second column, first row with second row with first column, 0 into 31 is 31, 1 into 63 it will give 63. Second row with first second column, 0 into 21, 0, 157 6. That means I into A equal to A. Next, do the multiplication operations, different types of operations doing as homework. Uh, Today we are stopping We'll discuss another matrices and another operations in next class.